Imagine a world where the taps have run dry, the stores are empty, and survival is your only goal. Could you find safe, drinkable water in a post-apocalyptic world? In this desolate landscape, the most precious resource isn't gold or oil, but the simple, life-giving molecule, water. The challenge, however, isn't just finding water but ensuring it's safe to drink. It's a daunting task, but not an impossible one. The key to survival lies in knowledge, specifically the knowledge of water purification methods. In a world where every drop counts, understanding the hierarchy of water purification is vital. The lifeblood of survival, water, can be purified in several ways, each with its own place in the pecking order. At the top of the list is boiling. Simply put, heat is life's best disinfectant, killing most bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Next up is distillation. This process involves boiling water and then collecting the vapor that condenses back into water. It's a bit more complex, but it removes heavy metals and other contaminants that boiling can't. Third on the list is chemical treatment, using substances like iodine or chlorine to kill microorganisms. Fourth, we find filtration, where water is passed through a filter to remove impurities. Last but not least is solar disinfection, using the sun's UV rays to kill harmful organisms. These methods, when correctly executed, can save lives by providing clean, drinkable water even in the direst of circumstances. Scene script. Survival is not just about finding water, it's about making it safe to drink. To purify water, boiling is the most basic method. It's as simple as finding a heat source and a container that can withstand the heat. You need to bring the water to a rolling boil and maintain it for at least 1 minute. But remember, this method doesn't remove chemical contaminants. If you're a bit more resourceful, you can construct a simple distillation apparatus. You'll need a pot, a cup, and a cover that can direct the steam into the cup. As the water boils, it evaporates, leaving impurities behind. The steam then condenses and drips into the cup, giving you purified water. Chemical treatment is another option. Household bleach or iodine tablets can kill most harmful organisms. For every liter of water, use 2 drops of bleach or follow the instructions on the iodine tablet packaging. Let the treated water stand for at least 30 minutes before drinking. Next, we have filtration. A cloth or coffee filter can remove visible particles, but for invisible threats like bacteria and viruses, you'll need something more sophisticated like a portable water filter. Last but not least, there's solar disinfection. Fill a clear plastic or glass bottle with water and leave it in direct sunlight for 6 hours. The UV rays from the sun will kill harmful organisms. Remember, in a world where survival is the only goal, knowledge is your most powerful weapon. Stay hydrated, stay safe, and most importantly, stay alive.